Hey guys, this is Tepco Cycle Repair. Today we're going to be talking about that humming that you're getting in your 5.4 liter Ford. Okay, in this case this is my 97 Ford van. It's got a 5.4 liter in it, and it just hums kind of on and off on idle. So I'm going to show you what that is and how to fix it. So let's take a look. Hear that? All right. You can hear it coming through there. So let's go inside the van, pull the doghouse, and see what it is. All right, so here's where our noise is coming from. If you listen. Stops immediately when I take that out. All right, so we're looking at the idle air control valve, which is right there. Let's see. Alright, right there at the back of this hose right here. 2 8mm bolts and a plug, so we're going to pull that out. Alright, so here we go. We got the new idle air control valve in there, and we're getting no more humming. Alright, so there you go. Pretty simple. That you can pull them from salvage yards and get them for a couple dollars. And 2 8mm bolts, a plug. That hose pulls right off. It's really a 5-minute job, so that humming is annoying, and I'm sure you guys want to change it out. So that's all you need. Guys, until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. This is Tepco Cycle Repair.